Hello everyone, I'm Xiao Gang. We're going to record a supplementary video. When you watch the main video, you might notice that in our blueprint framework, we sometimes miss things. This might be because I didn't pay attention when writing it. So, there's a line of code here for registering with the game. This line of code is essential. If this line is missing, when your HTTP request returns, the object will have been garbage collected, and you won't be able to receive the HTTP response. So this is a very serious point that everyone needs to pay attention to. We might have mentioned it many times during the lecture, but sometimes I forget to write it. So I'm making a dedicated video to emphasize this. Then let's check it one by one. There is a link here. Then let's look at our iflyTech link. You can see that we registered it here. When we checked, we found that this part is missing. This part is missing, so you must pay attention to this. Then let's look at our project. We should have written an HTTP time. See, this part is not missing, so the main place we need to add, it is here. This part absolutely must not be missed. Missing this part, this Lifecycle, once this problem occurs, it's very hard for you to troubleshoot. That is, sometimes you receive it, sometimes you don't. So what exactly is the reason? It must be that your object has become invalid. It has been garbage collected. And what you need to pay attention to is that here, this relax here, this resource must be released. If you don't set, that is, if you forget to release the resource, then this thing will stay in memory forever. And this function for releasing resources, you must have cd, id, d, ed, t, dstory. If you are not cd ready, dstory, you only release the resources on this optimization class. This optimization move, this optimization does not introduce this object. It has not been released, so this function is also very important. Then let's all check it. First, this function must be called. Let's look directly here. Let's look at this at the TP response location. This must be called. Then this function is within the resources. This must be cd ready. Okay. As for this BD, we actually haven't finished writing it yet, but it has already been registered here. And when it is acquired, it also calls this. At the same time, when it receives the response, it is also called here, right? Okay, basically, everyone must check it again themselves. This part is particularly easy to miss. So this video mainly emphasizes this point. Okay, let's take a look at its acquisition process. It should also release it there. Then we wrote this in the project. Also need to release 8. Yes, that is. Okay, let's emphasize this part. This part is very important, so we'll make a separate video to emphasize it for everyone. Thank you all.